Welcome to Cars Insider, the channel where we explore the most iconic cars from history and beyond. If you love classic and legendary vehicles, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Today we're diving into the story of one of the most remarkable Soviet cars of the 20th century, the Moskvich 407. This compact yet durable car became a symbol of its era, offering reliable transportation in the Soviet Union and beyond. Let's explore what made this car special, its features, performance, and of course how much it costs today. The Moskvich 407 was introduced in 1958 as an upgrade to the earlier Moskvich 402. This new model came with improved performance, design enhancements, and better driving characteristics. It was built by the Moscow Small Car Factory, or MZMA, which later became AZLK. The Moskvich 407 quickly gained popularity due to its practicality and relatively modern design for its time. It also played a significant role in exporting Soviet automotive technology to Western markets. One of the key upgrades in the Moskvich 407 was its engine. Under the hood, it had a 1.36-liter four-cylinder engine producing 45 horsepower compared to the Moskvich 402. This was a noticeable improvement, allowing for better acceleration and a top speed of around 115 km per hour or 71 miles per hour. While that may not sound fast by modern standards, it was quite decent for an economy car of the late 1950s. The engine was designed to be robust and simple, making it easy to maintain and repair, a crucial factor in a country where spare parts and service stations were limited. The Moskvich 407 featured a 4-speed manual transmission with synchromesh on the top 3 gears. This made shifting smoother and improved driving comfort compared to older Soviet cars. The suspension system was also designed to handle rough roads, which was essential for the varied terrain across the Soviet Union. The front suspension was independent with coil springs, while the rear used a leaf spring setup, ensuring durability and a decent ride quality even on unpaved roads. In terms of design, the Moskvich 407 had a classic 1950s aesthetic featuring smooth curves, a prominent chrome grille, and a well-proportioned body. It was available in several colors, often with a two-tone paint scheme, which added a touch of elegance to an otherwise practical vehicle. Its compact dimensions made it suitable for urban driving, but it was also capable of handling long-distance travel with reasonable comfort. The interior of the Moskvich 407 was simple yet functional. The dashboard had a basic but effective layout with essential gauges such as a speedometer, fuel level indicator, and temperature gauge. The steering wheel was large, giving the driver better leverage, which was important in an era before power steering. The seats were upholstered in durable fabric, and while they weren't particularly plush, they provided adequate comfort for daily use. One of the standout features was the relatively spacious cabin, which allowed for a comfortable ride for up to 5 passengers. One of the most interesting aspects of the Moskvich 407 was its success in foreign markets. Unlike many Soviet cars that remained confined to domestic roads, the 407 was exported to several Western European countries, including Finland, Norway, France, and even the United Kingdom. It was praised for its affordability, reliability, and simple mechanics, which made it appealing to budget-conscious buyers. Some versions were even adapted to meet the specific regulations of these markets, such as left-hand drive configurations and minor design tweaks. Production of the Moskvich 407 lasted until 1963, when it was replaced by the improved Moskvich 403. However, its legacy continued, as many of these cars remained in use for decades thanks to their durability and ease of maintenance. Today, the Moskvich 407 is considered a classic car with a dedicated community of enthusiasts who restore and preserve these vehicles. Now let's talk about the price. Since the Moskvich 407 is no longer in production, its price varies depending on condition, rarity, and restoration quality. In Russia and other former Soviet countries, you can find project cars needing full restoration for as little as $2,000 to $5,000. A well-maintained or partially restored model typically costs between $8,000 and $15,000 for fully restored and collector-grade examples. Prices can go up to $20,000 or more depending on authenticity and originality. In Western Europe, where the Moskvich 407 is rarer, prices tend to be slightly higher due to import costs and the difficulty of finding spare parts. In these regions, a well-preserved model can sell for between €12,000 and €25,000, with pristine examples reaching up to €30,000, especially if they have a documented history and original parts. Whether you're a collector or just an admirer of classic cars, the Moskvich 407 represents a unique piece of automotive history. It embodies the engineering philosophy of its time, offering simplicity, reliability, and practicality in an elegant 1950s design. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Moskvich 407, make sure to subscribe to Cars Insider for more fascinating stories about legendary automobiles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.